Award. The top 3 male PWD finishers for the 1-kilometer category. Starting with our top 3, with our third place. With a run time, with a finish time of 11 minutes, Mr. Kael John Milang. Bib number 1074, Mr. Kael John Milang.
Tatlo yan, tatlo sila. Kilometer. 1, 1, 2, 3.
Ang ating second place, with a finish time of 7 minutes, Mr. Jerry Noida. Jerry Noida, 1K. Second place, male.
Wala. Walang nakalagay na tatak eh. Tataka tayo yung malaki yung
champion for the male category of PWD 1K with a finish time of just 5 minutes, Mr. RJ De La Cruz.